Every night I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here.
Great girl, that's what they always say, and it hurts watching them just walk away. They use words to cover up what they don't feel for me. Same thing, yeah, same thing every time, sugar-coated. Every word and every line say I'm amazing, but why would you leave a girl after you put that in her hand? These circumstances, no, they always ruin all my chances, but in the end I always know that they'll leave me left alone, and I'll act like I'm not hurt, 'cause he said I'm a great girl. No, he said I'm a great girl. Never believed you, I never believed you could hurt me. So naive, lingering on, repeating the past. I never asked for this, I can't resist. I wonder why I ever miss. Tell me, is it too late, too late? I promise I would never hesitate to take it all away. Job acting like I still don't care. Like this ain't all still there, and it don't make sense, no. I try to talk to other guys like I'm okay, like I'm out on my mind, but I stay up and night thinking. Really wanna say I miss you, but I don't know if that crosses the line. Cause I know that we're just friends now, but a part of you still feels like mine. And whenever I see you, we start acting like old times. And I just have to ignore it all and pretend like everything's fine. But